is where we started building the city. At least the first time around, because then our lovely, lovely, lovely neighbors, the Danes, came along and burnt it all to the ground in the Great Kalmar War. They're probably laughing here in the front, yes. So, 10 years later, Gustav Adolf II, another king, rebuilt Gothenburg, but this time on the mainland. That was in 1621, a bit more than 400 years ago. We celebrated our 400th anniversary 2 years ago, a bit delayed because of COVID. Så jag förklarade precis att det var här på Hisingen så vi började grunda Göteborgs stad, åtminstone första gången. För sen kom ju danskarna och brände ner allting till grunden i Stora Kalmarkriget. Tack för det, kära grannar. 10 år senare så